Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video, part 4 of the Active Directory Lab, will be about setting up the Windows 10 VM as well as joining the Windows 10 to the server domain. Okay, so let's get right into it. We want to create a new virtual machine. We want to click the second option, disk image file, browse, and go to your Windows 10. There it is. So we want to click next. I'm going to change the name to Windows 10 Lab. So next, and that should be all right. Customize hardware. So network adapter, NAT is fine. Memory is fine. Yeah. NAT, actually, let's change it to VMNet 11. VMNet 11 is what the Windows Server 2022 is on, so they are able to communicate. So let me move this over. Here we go. We can check by going to Player, Manage Virtual Machine Settings on the Windows Server 2022. And it should pull up. And as you can see, VMNet 11 is present, which this will make it able for them to communicate with each other. Okay, so now we want to add another network adapter. And there we go. Add another one, finish. And we want to leave this as NAT, so we are able to get into the internet. So close. Okay, we finish. This is taking a little longer than expected. Okay, nice. Now it should boot up. So we want to press a key here. Let me make this full screen. Okay. Now that we're in, we want to press next here. Install now. Now, we do not have a key, so I don't have a product key. Click that. Now, we want to do Windows Pro here because Windows Pro lets you join a domain. Home doesn't, and we do not need education. So, next here. I accept the license terms. Custom install. All right, we just leave that as is. Next. And I'm going to cut through that. Okay, so we're back. It's going to restart. So I'm skipping through all of this so I can make it easier. So right here, United States, yes. US, keyboard layout, yes. Skip that. Set up for personal use. We want to do an offline account. Okay, limited experience. All right, let's name the PC. I'm going to name it Alex. So next, make a password. Next. All right, I'm just putting A on all of these since this is a lab. Okay, so right here, we want to do not now. All right, but this, you can put accept if you want to, but I'm just take all of these off. No. Taylor Experience advertising ID, no. Taylor Experience, I don't care. Okay. Now we want to skip this. And we're in. Okay, so now what we want to do is go to control panel. I'm letting this load up, but we want to go to the search and go to control panel to view our Ethernet settings so we can join the DHCP server. So we do small icons here. We go to Network and Sharing Center. As you can see, we have two Ethernets, Ethernet 0, Ethernet 1. Ethernet 1 has internet because of NAT. So let me show you something real quick. Go to search, type in CMD or command prompt. You want to do ipconfig here. Hold up, it's messing up for me. Okay, ipconfig. And as you can see, Ethernet 1 has my home address. So it has internet. And then the Ethernet 0, oh wow, it has the DHCP server. This shouldn't happen. Well, since we put it in VMnet 11 and they're both communicating each other, it instantly grabbed it from DHCP server. But sometimes it could mess up. So what we want to do is go to control panel and then go to the Ethernet settings, Ethernet 0, properties, TCP IPv4. So now we want to go to the DNS server and add the server's IP address 192.168.1.2. 1.2. Okay. Then okay. Close. Oh well. Do you want to let your? Yeah. Let's do it. X. Usually it shows up, but sometimes it doesn't. So that's all right. Let's go to command prompt. We'll ping the server to test connectivity. Well, we should have connectivity. We should get 4 replies. And there we go. 0% loss. So that means we are pinging the server. Okay, we can close out that. Now we're going to join the domain. So we go to control panel. We right click system. There it is. Open. And then we go to change settings. And then we go to change. And then we're going to rename this computer to workstation 1. We click domain here. Now we want to put the domain name of the Windows server or the domain controller. So let's check that real quick. Let's go to our Windows Server 2022. Let's log in. Okay, so you want to go to local server. Look right there, domain, cybersecraft.local. So that is our domain. That's how to find it. You want to put it on the Windows 10 domain, cybersecraft.local. Okay. Gonna take some time to load. Okay. Now you want to put the administrator account and password. Okay, so there we go. Welcome to the cybersecraft.local domain. So we press OK here. We close and restart now. I'm going to skip ahead here. Now I'm going to show you how to know if you're in the domain. So you want to go back and press that button. You want to go to other user, and then it says right there, sign into Cybersec Craft, and that is the domain name. So press right here, type a domain name, username to sign into another domain, type the workstation local username to sign into the PC. So that's how you know that you are in a domain. Okay, so let's go to our server manager, go to users and computers, and go to ITOU, Ben Kane, the user. We're gonna sign in to that user with a Windows 10 lab. So we wanna click other user. As you can see here, we are in the Cybersec Craft domain. So we're gonna type in Ben Kane, the user, Ben Kane, and the password. Okay, we're logged in. Nice. Now, what we're gonna do is turn on the network discovery so we can then map a drive. So we want to go to File Explorer. You want to go to Network. Press OK. And then right here, click to change, turn on. And we're going to have to put the administrator account from the Windows Server 2022 or our domain controller. So administrator, password, and it should turn on. Press no to this, and it should reload. There we go. Now we can share. Now what we want to do is restart the whole Windows 10. Now that we have restarted, let's log back into Ben Kane. Okay, so on Windows Server, go to Users and Computers, and ITOU, Ben Kane user. You see this shared folder? That's what we put in the description. So we want to put in the folder share path right here on Network in File Explorer on the Windows 10. So we type that in. /IT, press enter, and there we go. We have the folder in the text document right there. So we want to copy this so we can map a drive, copy, and then go to this PC, actually right click it, map network drive, paste in the path, right? Reconnect that sign in. Yes. So the path, the shared path or the folder will always be there when you sign in. So you want to finish. And there we go. Look at that. We have now mapped the drive on the Windows 10. Okay, so that concludes our lab for today. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Goodbye.